So I'm on my run. It's a beautiful day. Just started off. I'm coming out of my driveway, and of course it's a downhill leading into a uphill, which what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk all the hills today, just to see how that feels, which is gonna be a mind game, because I'm coming up to start a hill here, leaving my house. So of course I don't need to walk yet, but that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna walk this hill and I'll get back with y'all. Just knocked that hill out, so I'm walking now, and we'll now run. So we're back on the flat. So we'll see how this goes. So as you can see, I'm running about 1.5 miles into this. Coming up, we got a couple little hills. I'll run this first one, walk this second one. So we're about 1.5 miles into this day. All right, so we got through that hill. Not big at all. Didn't want to walk it. Got a little incline coming now, but I'm gonna run it on through. Then I got a big downhill to get on, and then I got like 3 hills back to back to back. So I'll just walk them. So I'll be back with y'all. All right, this is one of the hills that I'm gonna walk up. I'm closing in on, I'm getting real close to 3 miles. So when I get into fuel, it'll be 3.5 miles, and we'll go over what I'm gonna fuel with. I normally don't eat anything at 3.5 miles, but we're gonna start practicing. All right, I'm coming up on 3.5 miles, coming into the box, about to get fixed. Curious to see what time it was. Damn, that was fast. As you can see, 34:51. That's walking and running. The fix, boy, look at there. All right, well, I think that was a little fast. But anyway, so what I'm gonna do is I've got some food here set out. I'm gonna eat a piece of watermelon, as you can see. I'm gonna eat some grapes, and I'm gonna drink a little coconut juice and set the clock back and go for my next 3.5. So I'll be back with y'all. All right, so I'm coming around the corner up here. It'll be over 5.5 miles. I don't know. It'll be about 5.8 miles, something like that. 5.7 miles. And I'm feeling good. I'm fixing to walk when I turn this bend up there on the hill. So we're doing pretty good. See what that time is on this second round, coming in around 7 miles. All right, brother. All right, I'm coming back into the fix for 7 miles. 35:40. All right, so that wasn't bad. That was about a minute from the last one. So that's awesome. Good ass work, brother. So now what we got, I think I'm gonna eat a little chicken here from Mob Paleo, a couple grapes, and some coconut water. Finish my 3rd round, and then we'll do my WOD 2 with 75 pounds. So I'm gonna knock this next one out and be back with y'all. All right, well, on my 3rd round, so I feel good. Got some fuel. We'll see. This is going on my last. It's actually just it's gonna be actually over 10 miles, just a little bit, but it don't matter. We'll see how we feel coming down this hill, and we'll be back. All right, finishing it up this 10. Let's see what we did on that one. Oh shoot, I didn't set the clock. Reset the clock. So I reckon I was about 36, 37 minutes on that. So that's good. Good day to start off practice. I feel good. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get set up to do 10 minutes of, I think I'm gonna only do 65 pounds because I feel good. But we just got through putting in 10 miles. Let's just take it easy, and I'll be right back with you.